Looking for a solid bungalow in a choice location? Then I've got you. Our latest listing in Lakeside Meadows offers a fantastic floor plan and it's in move-in ready condition. But what really sets it apart is the setting. It backs directly onto the bioreserve, giving you the extra privacy, green space, and a view that's hard to come by. Enjoy the tour. Thanks for watching. For more information on this property or to book an exclusive tour, reach out to us. We're happy to guide you through the process.